All right, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are doing well. Good morning, good morning. Give me 1 second here. All right, should be all set. So, market just opened up, and wanted to watch market open this morning just because we did not have a huge range overnight like we did yesterday. So, had a nice little accumulation overnight through Asia, through London session. London session has swiped, or since London session, I should say, we've swiped the low and the high of London kill zone. And as of right now, to be totally honest with you, I have more of a bias for price to come down, swipe the previous day low, potentially put in some SMT divergence at the lows with ES, and then I would want to look for some longs from that point. However, we could potentially see if there's a possibility for us to short into previous day low as well. But that's my bias for right now. That's what I want to see play out going into the next hour. Right now, inside of a 15-minute bearish fair value gap here on ES, and 15 over here, you can see a little divergence with this inefficiency here in these highs currently. So right now, ES is trading higher than NQ is based on the previous structure. Let's go to the 5-minute. See that? And inside of a 5-minute bearish gap. So potentially looking to see this be those stops being ran out to go lower. Gonna wait though. I don't think I'm gonna take the turtle soup entry right now. I'd like to see some displacement down and then look to enter off of a fair value gap or an order block, something like that. For the record, I don't know if anybody used our oil analysis yesterday. I set an alert yesterday on the session, but I think we were in an NQ trade right when it went off, so I didn't even bother to go look at it. But guys, come check this shit out. We talked about this OB and the inefficiency tucked right underneath it. Look at that. So all I'm saying is oil might be in our Rolodex here soon. News in 60 seconds. So it's kind of starting to move here. It's not really moving with any sort of speed just yet. Truthfully, I'm not really looking for an entry at this exact moment in time. Might as well wait for the news to pass at this point. But was hoping that if there was something up in here, there could have been an opportunity for us to get in and then, have the trade kind of already be deep in profit enough for us to go risk-free, and then hopefully the news would run us to our target. But no cigar. Really love to see price run these highs if it is going to go lower here. One more time. 15 seconds. If that is the case, want to watch for clear manipulation. Okay, here we go. So no manipulation as far as SMT goes with ES. This thing just fucking sent it. Did we just form SMT with this high? All right, so we're trading above those highs, and we just put an SMT because NQ is below these lows here. ES just took both of them out. Oh God, that's a fucking scary candle to sell into though. Holy shit. That is a scary candle to sell into. I ain't turtle souping nothing. No, sir. Absolutely not. See, like what I would have loved to have seen if I wanted to be long from this area, I would have loved to have just seen some SMT at these lows here, which we didn't get. Going to close above this entire range, which I think would be a good sign for the bulls. And to be honest with you, I genuinely don't feel like there was a good setup for us to have been in anything prior to this move at all. Yeah, guys, I think that's going to put a bow on it for me for the morning. No trade taken. I would still be on the lookout for a retracement going into the rest of the day. I got some things that I'll be busy doing this afternoon at closer to 2 p.m. New York time. So I can keep you guys updated on what I see like early in PM session, like right after lunch if there's something. But if not, this is really what I'd be waiting for as a setup to go lower. And it's not because, maybe we are in the market maker buy model. We're going to go run for these highs. But either way, I'm not interested in longing without any sort of a pullback. I just don't see us going straight in one direction this entire way up. I guess anything is possible, but that would just be a little wild to me if it were to do that without any sort of pullback at all. So that's what I'd say. I'll let you guys know if anything forms in the short term here, but I'm thinking to myself that even if price were to trade below this low here with a fair value gap, we'd be trading right into a 5-minute bullish imbalance, which, to be honest, I'd probably want to see inverted. And to be honest, I don't think there's a point in us waiting for that to maybe happen or potentially not happen. So, yeah, I think it was a good no trade day. I didn't see anything high probability that made sense. Hopefully you guys feel the same way. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you need anything, let me know. But I will talk to you guys later in the Discord. And obviously I'll keep you guys posted on. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and I'll make a game time decision about tomorrow. It might be a day off for us, being day before NFP. So I'll make a judgment call tomorrow morning. I'll let you guys know. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your guys' Wednesday, and I will hopefully talk to you guys later today, depending on what forms here. So enjoy your Wednesday, guys. If you need anything, let me know. But we'll talk soon. Peace out, everybody.